So we're here in Malawi today, and this is the first time that some of these students have ever taken an NWEA map test. Here's what you should know if you're doing map testing for the first time. First of all, make sure that you have ample internet. We're using Starlink for the internet, and what we found is that because there's some iron gates on these windows, it's preventing the Starlink from coming in correctly. The second thing we learned is that some of these computers were set up with GoGuardian on them, and it was blocking access to the map testing site. So you really want to test and make sure that there's no filters or blockers. The third thing we learned is that when the browser said you have to allow pop-ups for map testing to work, that they need to disable the pop-up blocker. And then the fourth thing we learned is that because some of these kids are very new to laptops, in fact they've never seen them before in their lives, we did have to pull a couple of additional learning facilitators in here to just sit adjacent to the kids. Tomorrow we're gonna lock and load really quickly because we've learned all that, and we're gonna let it go.